Well guys, it is bright and early, currently 8:30 a.m. I am up ready to hit the thrift stores. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. I'm looking, I have a huge pile, guys. Look at this pile of stuff I need to list today and throw up on it. This is basically everything that I got basically in the past week. All the North Florida stuff and a little bit from down here, but I need to list all of that coming up. And I'm also today, not only am I gonna thrift, but I'm also gonna go check out an apartment in Miami. You guys seeing, maybe about 2 weeks ago, I went apartment shopping, but I did look in Fort Lauderdale. I decided I'm going to Miami. I decided, you know what? I thrift in Miami, my friends go to Miami, I go out in Miami, I go drinking in Miami. It's just, everything is Miami. There's no reason why I need to live 45 minutes or 20 miles away up north for no reason at all. I don't have many friends in Fort Lauderdale. My mom lives in Fort Lauderdale, but I don't see her every time, so it's like, you know what, I'm going to Miami. So we're going to be going down to Miami later on today to look at that apartment. We're first going to hit the thrift stores around my area, then we're going to go down there. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. So I posted a poll on my Instagram yesterday asking, should I keep listing on Mercari, like a third-party website, or should I go back to emcvlogs.com? When I had the emcvlogs.com, I was doing probably about $4,000 a month in sales just from you guys. So if you guys want me to bring that back, if you guys think it'll be easier, because I know a lot of people are like, oh, did you list that? Did you list that? Like, oh, I don't have Mercari, blah, blah, blah. I live overseas, just so many excuses. So I'm thinking for 2021, should I go back to emcvlogs.com and just list everything on there? So that way it's plain, easy. You guys can click on the link. You guys can purchase right there. You guys don't have to download anything. You don't have to go through any hoops. And it's better for me because they don't take a lot of money. They don't take 10%. They don't take a processing fee. They don't do all of that. So let me know in the comments down below. Should I go back to EMC Vlogs or should I continue listing on a third-party website? Let me know. But like I said, we are going to be thrifting, so let's hit the first thrift store. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it, guys. If you guys saw, I did thrift these for $12. They have a little yellowing, if you could see. But they cleaned up pretty nice. I did throw them in the washer, my size. For $12, I can't go wrong. Well, first thrift store, we found this Big Johnson shirt. I think these are always so funny. Low, slow, and ready to blow. We found this old school MGM Grand shirt, or MGM Gold. I don't know if I'm gonna get this, just a vintage blank. I'm actually gonna probably put that back. Just a single stitch vintage blank. Can't really read the tag, I just like the color of it, like that pink colorway. We found this Adidas Chelsea jersey. And what I found is matching shorts, I feel like. So it was like the full set. Nike Dry Fit, like running pants. And then these two I'm just gonna look up because I didn't know what they were. I just thought it was a cool picture. Doctor Who. And then this one is just a beer one, but it's made in the USA. I'm gonna look it up too. Well, that first thrift store wasn't horrible. We left a few couple shirts and 2 pairs of shorts, or I guess a pair of shorts and a pair of pants, so it wasn't horrible. But we are headed to the next thrift store. Let's hope we get a little better luck then. Then we're gonna hit up one more, and then we're gonna head down to Miami and go check out that apartment. So, you know, a little thrifting, a little apartment shopping, just a day in the life of vlog. And I'm really trying to just really do more vlog style of just everything I do in the day versus just making strictly trip to the thrift videos, you know? How yesterday's video was thrifting, but I also incorporated cooking and food and eating and stuff like that. So it kind of mixes it up. It's not just the basic trip to the thrift. It's kind of just like a daily video that I go thrifting, but I also do a bunch of other stuff. So, especially with me living in Miami, I'm gonna be trying to mix a lot of other things, just like showing you local places to eat, local places to go, taking Captain on a walk, going to the dog park, going to the beach, just so many activities and stuff like that since I'm gonna be living in Miami. But yeah, let's go hit up store number 2 and see what we can find. So a few finds. I'm gonna leave this, but we found the Tour de France 2008. It has the map on the back, cracking. Then I did find this King Tut shirt. I'm also gonna leave this. The stuff I'm gonna take. I saw this shirt. I thought the colors and everything was just super sick. It is a newer age print, but can you imagine? Found this vintage single stitch Great Wall of China shirt. NYPD, big logo.
And the find of today, look at this, Balenciaga Paris, old school button down, has the BB. I don't know if it's women's or men's, but definitely the find of today. Well, I only spent $7 on everything with that Balenciaga. That's such a hit. So I just came to this thrift store, it's closed, and I saw this. Look at this Champion. So sick, and then look at this next to it, this Stussy. Free come-ups. They probably smell like shit. I probably gotta wash them 1,000 times, but literally 2 free hoodies. Well, that was kind of lucky. Like I said, I just randomly came to another thrift store. They were closed, and I just randomly saw that Champion like hoodie. So I walked over, saw it had like a little embroidery on the front and a huge big logo on the back, and then I saw the Stussy or Stussy, however you want to pronounce it, logo next to it. So I was like, hey, fuck it, I'll take it. So I got those. They're in the trunk. I put them in the bag because, like I said, I don't know if there's fucking piss on them or whatever the case is. I'm gonna go home, wash them like 1,000 times. But yeah, so basically that wasn't that bad. And then at the last thrift store that you guys saw, we got that Balenciaga button down. I'm pretty sure it's 100% authentic, and that's just a crazy find. Balenciaga button down. It fits me perfectly too, so I low-key may keep it because it's like perfect for Miami weather. It's not too hot, not too cold. But yeah, that was definitely the find of today. I just talked to my realtor and he's in the area, so we're actually gonna head to Miami and go check out that apartment. So let's go see if this is gonna be the new apartment or not, guys. Huge closet. Well, as you guys saw, basically they're in there just cleaning, remodeling the apartment. The tenant, I guess, just moved out like a week ago. So that's the reason it is, but I am gonna send it the application. You know, you have, with me being self-employed, I have to show like bank statements, deposits, I have to show all that good stuff. It's really hard to actually prove my income and show that I make a good amount of money doing what I do. So I sent all that in, and I'm gonna try to get that apartment. It's a really good location. It is in South Beach. It's about 2 blocks from Lincoln Road Mall, about 3 blocks from the beach. So you know what? I'm gonna try to go for it. That closet is huge. That closet is perfect. I could fit my personal plus all my inventory. The bedroom's nice. The kitchen's upgraded. It has a washer and dryer, or it has a washer and dryer inside the unit I'm gonna get. It has a dishwasher, just everything upgraded from where I'm living now. So I think that's gonna be the new apartment. Like I said, I am gonna make the application and just wait for the approval, and if I get it, then that's gonna be the new apartment, guys. I know it's kind of difficult to see it just because they were in there cleaning and there was a bunch of mess and tools and all that, but I hope you guys can see the vision and see that it's gonna be a dope apartment. I'm gonna make this a really nice setup. I'm getting a new couch, new everything, so yeah. Now we're just gonna head home. I am gonna get some lunch. Not exactly sure what I'm feeling today, but I'll catch up to you guys once we get back. Well, I decided to go cheap today for lunch. We ended up getting the KFC 5 tenders with double mashed potatoes and gravy. Oof. The best $9 you can spend. Well, first find, Jordan 13, super beat though. Let's see what we have. What size are these? 10 bucks. 9.5. Well, just quickly came into Salvation Army by my house. Got these size 13 Air Force Ones. Got these Jordan 13s, kind of beat though. 25, I don't know if I'm gonna grab them. They're half off, so it'll be like 12, but Seems like they're gonna be separating and whatnot. Found this sick Oakley hoodie. Obama double-sided. SpongeBob movie shirt. I thought this back graphic was sick. Daytona Bike Week. Camo shirt. Thought the colors were sick. And then we found some 12 Super Beat. Again, no insoles, nothing, but we'll see. I was going to the front. I did see these 997s. They're $16.99 half off. They're kind of dirty, kind of beat, but honestly, I think it's just top dirt. I feel like if you put some love in it, it could do it. So for $8, I'm gonna take the gamble. So I got a bunch of shoes today. Well, I ended up leaving the 13 just because they were a little too beat for paying $15. But I got the Air Force Ones. I got, what did I get? I got the Air Force Ones. I got the SpongeBob shirt. I got an Oakley hoodie. And then the Jordan 12s. So it wasn't too bad. Go back home because I'm starving. I gotta get some lunch.